Good day viewers, welcome back to our math class. Simplify without using table. Log of 6 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. All over the log of 8 base 2 minus 2 log of 1 over 2 base 2. And we are given this following option. JAMB 1987, question 14. Solution. Before you can solve this, we have to record that the log of x base a minus the log of y base b is same thing as the log of x over y base a. And also we should have n log of x base a is equal to the log of x to the power of n base a. Good. Now, the question says that we have the log of 6 base 2 minus the log of 3 base 2 all over the log of 8 base 2 minus 2 log of 1 over 2 base 2. Now, by using this, our law, we are going to have the log of what? 6 over 3 base 2, because they have the same base. And I have what? Minus y, so I can divide it. All over this, I can solve it out as 2 log of 1 over 2 base 2. This is same thing as log of 1 over 2 to the power of what? 2 base 2. And this is going to give us the log of 1 over 4 base 2. So actually, over here, I'm going to have the log of 8 divided by 1 over 4 base 2, which is equal to the log of 3 here 1, 3 here 2, the log of 2 base 2 over here we have 8 divided by 1 over 4. This is as 8 times 4 over 1. 8 times 4 is 32. So I have the log of 32 base 2. And also, this can be written as the log of 2 base 2 over the log of 32 base 2. Now our 32 is same thing as 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is same thing as 32. So I have the log of 5, the log of 2 to the power of 5 base 2. And from here, whenever I have the log of a base a is equal to 1. So I have 1 because the log of 2 base 2 is something as 1 over here I'm going to have 5 log of 2 base 2. And this is going to give my final answer, which is something as 1 over 5. And the log of 2 base 2 is something as 1. So, which is something as 1 over 5. Wow. And this is something as option what? It's something as option A. So, this is solving of everything from the beginning to the end. Good day viewers, welcome back to our class. In this tutorial, we are asked to simplify the log of 8 base 10 minus the log of 4 base 10, all divided by the log of 4 base 10 minus the log of 2 base 10. And we are given this following option. JAMB 1982, question 16. Good. Before you can solve this kind of question, we have to record that whenever we have the log of x base a minus the log of y base a, this is equal to the log of x over y, then base what? A. So therefore, this is the log of is same thing as this is equal to the log of 8 over 4 base 10 all over the log of 4 over 2 base 10. So this is same thing as 4 here 1, 4 here 2. I have the log of 2 base 10 all over the log of 2 here 1, 2 here 2, which is the log of 2 base 10. And recall again that if you have the log of x base a, whenever you have the log of x base a over the log of x base a, this is equal to what? 1. So from here, my final answer is going to be equal to what? 1. And if you look at this, our option, it's same thing as option what? Option E. That is final answer. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rock Math Class, for more exciting video. Assalamu alaikum. Good day, viewers. Welcome back to Rock Math Class. If log 3 base 2 is same thing as x, express the log of 96 base 2 minus 2 log 6 base 2 in terms of x. Now solution. Before you can find the solution, you can actually record that a log x base b is same thing as log x to the power of a base b. And also, whenever you have the log of x base b minus the log of y base b is same thing as the log of x over y base b. Good. Solution. We are given that the log of 96 base 2 minus 2 log of 6 base 2. Actually, this is same thing as the log of 96 base 2 minus the log of 6 to the power of 2 base 2. Why this is equal to the log of 96 base 2 minus the log of 36 base 2. By considering this law that we have over here, whenever you have the log of x base b minus the log of y base b, it's same thing as the log of x over y base b. So I can write this as, since their base are equal, this is same thing as the log of 96 over 36 base 2. And this is same thing as, how many 12 can I see in 96? I'm going to have the log. How many 12 can we see in 96? You can see 8. How many 12 can I see in 36? We can see 3. So I have the log of 8 over 3 base 2. Why this is same thing as the log of 8 base 2 minus the log of 3 base 2. And if you can recall from my equation that the log of 3 base 2 is same thing as x. So I can kindly replace this one by what? X. So I'm going to have the log of 8 base 2 minus s. So this is same thing as the log of, this my 8 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3 base 2 minus x. So which is same thing as 3 log of 2 base 2 minus x. And whenever you have the log of b base b is equal to 1. So this is same thing as 3, the log of 2 base 2 is same thing as 1 minus x. So I'm going to have 3 minus x. And this is same thing as our option B from the given question. So this is our final answer. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more anxiety videos. Good day, viewers. Welcome back to Rock Math Class. What is log of 49 to the power of a base 7 minus the log of 0.001 base 10? And we are given this following option: JAMB 1979, question 42. Recall that 0.01 is same thing as, I have to move this one decimal point to the right hand side. So I'm going to have 1 times 10 to the power of minus 2, which is same thing as what? 10 to the power of minus 2. So this, I can write it back as the log of, and again 49 is 49 to the power of a is same thing as 7 to the power of 2 a. So I'm going to have log of 7 to the power of 2a base 7 minus log of 10 to the power of minus 2 base 10. Why this is same thing as, if you recall from the law of logarithm again, whenever we have the log of x to the power of a and our base was base 10, this is same thing as a log of x base 10. So actually this is same thing as 2a log of 7 base 7 minus, then this my power is going to come down, I have minus 2, then the log of 10 base 10. Again, recall that whenever you have the log of a base a, this is same thing as 1. So actually this is same thing as 2a, the log of 7 base 7, the log of 7 base 7 is same thing as 1. And I have minus times minus plus 2. Then the log of 10 base 10 is same thing as 1. So my answer is equal to 2a plus 2. This is my final answer. So if you look at it carefully, if you move back to our option, you can see that our final answer is same thing as option D. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more anxiety video. Assalamu alaikum. If log y base 81 is equal to 3 over 4, find y. And we are given the following option. JAMB 2019, question 11. Good. Before you can solve this kind of question, we can kindly recall. We should recall that whenever we have the log of x base a is equal to y, this is same thing as the base. Our base was a, base to the power of y is equal to what? X. So therefore, the log of y base 81 is equal to 3 over 4. So I'm going to have 81 raised to the power of 3 over 4. It's same thing as y by using this law. So this can be written as, this our 81, it's same thing as 3 to the power of 4. Then I have into the bracket of 3 over 4 is same thing as y. So I can break it down as 3 raised to the power of 4 times 3 over 4, it's same thing as y. So 4 cancel 4. So I have 3 raised to the power of 3 is equal to what? Y. Therefore, this implies that y is same thing as 3 to the power of 3, and 3 to the power of 3 is same thing as 27. That's our final answer. Assalamu alaikum. If 4 to the power of x minus 3 divided by 16 to the power of 2x minus 3 is equal to 1, find the value of x. And I give this following option. JAMB 2018, question 35. So this is our solution. We have this. And this can be written as 4 to the power of x plus 3. And 16 is same thing as, what is 16? 16 is same thing as 4 raised to the power of 2. I have 4 raised to the power of 2 into the bracket of 2x minus 3. And 1. 1 is same thing as, because everything is 4, 4, 4. Our base is 4. So I can write it as 4 to the power of 0. Because whenever we have a raised to the power of 0, whereby this our a is not equal to 0. So my final answer is going to be what? 1 from the law of indices. So over here, this is same thing as 4 to the power of x plus 3 over 4 to the power of 2 times 2x. I have 4x minus 6 is equal to 4 to the power of what? 0. And if you can recall again from the law of indices, whenever you have a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n. This is same thing as a raised to the power of m minus n. So this I can write it in form of 4 to the power of x plus 3 minus 4x minus 6 is equal to what? 4 raised to the power of 0. Now this stage we have to equate the base. By equating the base, I'm going to have x plus 3 minus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is what we are going to have. And this is the same thing as x plus 3 minus times this. I'm going to have minus 4x minus times minus plus 6 is equal to 0. From here, I can add together whereby I'm going to have x minus 4x plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. So why I have x minus 4x is same thing as minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is same thing as minus 3x is equal to minus 9. So divide both sides by minus 3. By dividing both sides by minus 3, I'm going to have x is equal to minus 9 over minus 3. And finally, my x is equal to 3. Minus cancel minus 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. So my x is same thing as 3. And if you carefully look at it, this our final answer is same thing as option what? Option D. That's our final answer. Assalamu alaikum. Simplify and express in standard form. I have 0.00275 times 0.0064 all over 0.025 times 0.08. And we are given this following option. JAMB 9090 question 6. Good. So over here, same thing as by moving this my decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By moving it 5 times, this is going to give me 275 times 10 to the power of negative 5, because I'm moving to the what? To my right hand side. Again, I have to move the second one also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 64 times 10 to the power of minus 4 all over this denominator. We have to move it again. 1, 2, 3. How many times do we move it? 3 times. So I'm going to have 25 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Then times. By moving this also 1, 2. I move how many times? 2 times. I'm going to have 8 times 10 to the power of negative what? 2. So this is same thing as we have 275 times 64. Then times 10 to the power of minus 5, negative 5, times 10 to the power of negative 4, all over 25, times 8, then times 10 to the power of negative 3, times 10 to the power of negative 2. If you look at this carefully, how many 25 can I have in 275? 25 here 1, 25 here 11. 8 here 1, 8 here 8. So this is equal to 7 times 8 times, from the law of indices, we are going to add this power together. I'm going to have 10 to the power of negative 5 plus times minus, which is plus minus, I will have minus 4 over 10 to the power of minus 3. Then from the law of indices, I'm going to add this power together, which is now minus 2. So this is equal to 11 times 8 is 88 times 10 to the power of negative 9 over 10 to the power of negative 5. So, from the law of indices, whenever we have a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of to the power of n, this is same thing as a raised to the power of m minus n. So from here, I can strictly write this as, and this is going to be 88. I'm going to have 10 to the power of negative 9 minus 5. So this is same thing as 88, then times minus 9 plus 5. This is what? 10 raised to the power of minus 4. This is what we are going to actually have. And we are asked to leave our answer in what? In standard form. First of all, I have to convert this 88 to standard form. 88 to standard form is that our decimal point is located at what? At this last digit. So I have to move it how many times? 1 times. So I have the 4. So this actually is equal to, from the law of indices, I have 1, then 1 plus minus 4, this is same thing as minus 2. So I have 8.8 times 10 to the power of negative 3. And this answer is same thing as option C from the given option above. Option C. So as you can see the solving. Assalamu alaikum. Good day viewers, welcome back to our math class. 27 to the power of x plus 2 divided by 9 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. Find x, and we are given this following option. JAMB 2012 question 6. Now there is same thing as we have the 27. Now from here, now this 27 is same thing as 3 raised to the power of 3. 3 raised to the power of 3 into the bracket of x plus 2. Then divide by 3. And 9 is same thing as 3 raised to the power of 2 into the bracket of x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2x. And from the law of indices, whenever we have a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n. This is same thing as a raised to the power of m minus n. From here, since we have this our division sign, this is going to be written as, we're going to have 3. If I should multiply this, I'll have 3x plus 6. Then this divide sign will turn to what? Minus. Then minus into the bracket of, what about this? I'm going to have 2x plus 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. Now the next one is to equate the base. Equate base. Now if I want to equate the base, this 3 and this 3 they are equal, then the power are also what's equal. So I'm going to have 3x plus 6 minus into the bracket of 2x plus 2 is equal to 2x. So from here, we are going to have 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 2x. Now, if I should collect what's the like term, I'm going to have 3x minus 2x. By taking this one to my left hand side, I will have what? Minus 2x. And taking this one to this my right hand side, I will have the same thing as 2. Taking this one to the right hand side again, I have minus 6. So 3x minus 2x minus 2x is same thing as 3x minus 4x is equal to minus 2 minus 6, same thing as minus 4. So over here I have minus x is same thing as minus 4. So divide both sides by minus, or multiply both sides by minus. If I multiply both sides by minus, my x is same thing as 4. And this one is same thing as option B. That's the final answer. Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting video? Assalamu alaikum. Good day viewers, welcome back to our math class. Simplify 1 minus into the bracket of 1 over 7 times 3 number 1 over 2. Then times 4 over 3. And we are given this following option. JAMB 2016 question 26 solution. We have 1 whole number minus into the bracket of 1 over 7 times this. We have to convert this one back to what? Improper fraction. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So I have 7 over 2 times 4 over 3. Then from the law of Boltzmann, or the rule of Boltzmann, or the order of operation, we have to solve for the one inside the bracket first. I'm going to have 1 minus 7 here 1, 7 here 1. So I have 1 over 2. Then times 4 over 3. And this can be written as 1 whole number minus 1 over 2 times 4 over 3. So I'm going to have 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, minus 1 times 2 is 2 over 1 times 3, I have 3. So if I want to solve this, is same thing as our xm over here is 3 over 1. 1 in 3 is 3, I have 3, minus 3 in 3, 1, 1 times 2, 2. So my final answer is 1 over 3, which is same thing as option B. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Assalamu alaikum. Good day viewers, evaluate 2 whole number 2 over 3 times 1 whole number 1 over 2 all over 4 whole number 4 over 5. And we are given this following option. JAMB 2012 question 3. So this is same thing as, first of all, we have to try and break this number. We can write this question in another form, which is same thing as 2 whole number 2 over 3 times 1 whole number 1 over 2 divide by 4 whole number 4 over 5. So the next step is that we have to convert all these whole number to improper fraction. How are we going to convert it? 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So this is as 8 over 3 times 2 times 1, 2. Plus 1, 3 over 2. Then divide by 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24 over 5. And this is same thing as 8 over 3 times 3 over 2. By changing this sign to multiplication sign, is going to, you have to reciprocate, times 5 over 24. And this is same thing as 8 times 3 times 5 over 3 times 2 times 24. Good. 3 cancel 3. 8 here 1, 8 here 3. So what do I have left? I have 5 over 2 times 3, which is my 5 over 6. So our final answer is what? 5 over 6. And this 5 over 6 is option C. So kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel for more exciting video. Assalamu alaikum. Good day viewers, welcome back to our math class. A man invested 5,000 naira for 9 months at 4%. What is the simple interest? JAMB question 2011 number 4. Now, our simple interest formula is equal to principal times rate times time over 100. Now from the question, the principal is 5,000 naira. Then the rate is what? 4%. And time, this time is given in what? Months. So we have to convert it back to what? Year. And this will give us 9 over 12 years, which is same thing as 3 over 4 year. So we can now proceed and put all these values into the formula. So my interest is equal to, I have 5,000 times 4 times, what do you have y? We have 3 over 4. So 3 over 4, and we have 100. So this is what we have. 0 cancel 0. So we have 50 times 4 times 3 over 4. 4 cancel 4. So I have 50 times 3. And 50 times 3 is equal to 150 naira. So the interest is going to be what? 150 naira, which is same thing as option A. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Rock Math Class for more exciting video. As Rock Math Class, a student measured the length of a table to be 2.30 meter instead of 2.50 meter. What was the percentage error in measuring the length of the table? If you look at this question carefully, you're going to see that our actual length is what? Is this 2.50 meter? So from here, the actual length is equal to 2.50 meter. So the measured length, measure what? 2.30 meter. So our measured length is equal to 2.30 meter. So the error is actual length minus the measured length. So I have 2.50 meter minus 2.30 meter, which is same thing as 0.20 meter. So this is the error made. Then the percentage error formula is giving us percentage error of actual length times 100. The error made is 0.20 over the actual length is 2.50 times 100. I have my percent outside. So 0.20 times 100 is 20 over 2.50. So 20 over 20 divided by 2.50. What's going to be the answer? The answer is equal to what? 8%. So our final answer is what? 8%, which is what? Option B. So this is our final answer. Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting video? Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, viewers. Welcome back to our math class. Evaluate 27 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 8 to the power of 2 over 3 all over 16 to the power of 2 over 4 times 2. Good, and we're giving this following option. JAMB 2019 question 25. So this is same thing as, this is our 27. 27 is same thing as 3 raised to the power of 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So I have 3 to the power of 3 into the bracket of the previous power, which is 1 over 3, minus 8 is same thing as 2 to the power of 3. I have 2 to the power of 3 into the bracket of 2 over 3, all over 16 is same thing as 2 to the power of 4 into the bracket of 2 over 4 times 2 to the power of 1. This is same thing as, let me write it as 3, and I have 3 times 1 over 3 minus 2, I have to the power of 3 times 2 over 3 all over 2 to the power of 4 times 2 over 4 times 2. This is what we have. And this is same thing as 3 here 1, 3 here 1. I have 3 to the power of what? 1. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. Minus 2 to the power of 2 all over 4 here 1, 4 here 1. 2 to the power of 1 times 2, which is same thing as 2, times 2. Now, if you look, if I should look at this carefully, this is same thing as, I'm going to have 3 and 2 to the power of 2 is same thing as minus 4 over 2 to the power of 2. I have 4 times 2, whereby we are going to have 3 minus 4 is same thing as minus 1. 4 times 2 is same thing as 8, whereby our final answer is equal to minus 1 over 8. And if you look at this from our option, this is same thing as option C. Our answer is what? Option C. So this is solving from the beginning to the end. Back to our math class. A woman buys 270 oranges for 1,800 naira and says at 5 for 40 naira. What is our profit? And we are given this following option. First of all, we have to know the number of units sold. And before you can get this same thing as how many oranges do we have? 270 oranges. Then divide by what? 5. This is going to give us 54 units. Since we have 64 units, that is per unit. And each unit contains how many oranges? 5 oranges. And each unit contains 5 oranges. Now, we have 54 units. So, we are going to multiply that 54 units by what? 40 naira to know the actual selling price. Then the selling price now is equal to 54 times 40 naira. And put my naira outside here. This same thing as we are going to have 2,160 naira. So 54 units cost how much? 2,160 naira. Good. Now our profit. Profit is given as the selling price minus cost price. The selling price is, this is selling price over here. We have 2,160 naira minus the cost price. The cost price is at the rate in which the woman bought what? Oranges, which is 1,800 naira. So this is going to give us, we subtract these two, we are going to have 360. And 360 is what? Option C. So this is our final answer. For my class, find the sum of 2 5 base 6, 5 2 base 6, and 4 3 base 6 in base 8. And we are given this following option. This is 2019 question 1, JAMB question. Good. Now, first of all, I have to add all these numbers to them because they are already what? Base 6. I have 2 5 plus 5 2, then plus 4 3, base 6, base 6, base 6. I have to add all of them together. 5 plus 2 plus 3, I'm going to have what? 10. So this 10 is same thing as 10 divided by 6 because we are dealing with base 6. 10 divided by 6, I will have 1, 4. So I'm going to write out my 4, then move this one to this side. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So this is my 12. How many 2 can I see? How many 6 can I see in 12? 2, 0. I'll write my 0. This 2 I'll carry it. Since I don't have any number over here, so I'm going to put it down. So I've already converted this number to what? Base 6. So before I can convert this my base 6 to base 8, I have to return this base 6 to base 10. Now we have to convert this base 6 to base 10. Now from what? From 6 to 10, we have 2, 0, 4. 0, 1, 2. We same thing as everything is base 6. 2 times the base raised to the power of what? Raised to this 2. Plus 0 times 6 raised to the power of 1. Plus 4 times 6 raised to the power of what? 0. So this is same thing as 2 times 6 raised to the power of 2 is 36. Plus 0 times 6 plus 4 times 6 to the power of 0 is 1. So this is equal to, I have 72 plus 0, then plus 4. This is equal to 76 in what? Base 10. Now, so from this base 10 now, I will now convert my answer to what? Base 8. So from base 10 to base 8. Recall that we have from base 6, look at base 6 to what? to base 10. Then from base 10 to what? Base 8. This is what I'm going to follow. So we have 76. And I have to divide by what? 76, I have to divide by 8. How many 8 can I see in 76? I will have 9, remainder 4. How many 8 can we see in 9? 1, remainder 1. Then how many 8 can I see in 1? It's 0, remainder 1. So my answer is 1, 1, 4, base 8. That is from 2, 0, 4, base 6. Is same thing as what? 7, 6, base 10. But because you should convert it to what? Base 8. 1, 1, 4, base 8. So this is our final answer. Which is same thing as option what? Option C. So our answer is what? C. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting video. As if you also come back to our math class, simplify 2, 1, 3, base 4 times 2, 3, base 4. A, we have 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, base 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, base 4. 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, base 4. 1, 0, 3, 1, 1, base 4. This question is 203 question. Question number 5. Good. How are you going to convert? How are you going to simplify this question? Whereby I have 2, 1, 3, base 4 times 2, 3, base 4. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is what? 9. So how many 4 can I see in 9? You divide it by what? By the base. You're going to have what? 2, remainder 1. You write the remainder over here. Then this 2, you have to carry it to this place. Then 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Then plus this 2, we have what? 5. If the number is already greater than the base, so you have to divide by the base and write the remainder. So 5 divided by 4, I will have 1, remainder 1. Write out your 1. Then carry out what? The 1. So 3 times 2, we have 6. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. How many 4 can you see in 7? You have what? 1, remainder 3. So I will write my 3. If I should move my 1, it's going to come over this side. So this is what I have at the first stage. Then we move to what? 2. 2 times 3, 6. 6 divided by 4, 1, remainder 2. Write out the 2, carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, 3. Write out your 3. Then 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 over 4 is same thing as 1, remainder 0. Write my 0 and what? Move out the 1. Do you have any number over here? No, then write out the 1 like this. So then we are now adding together. Since we are now adding together, 1 plus 0, I have 1. 1 plus 2 is same thing as 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 is already greater than the base, so you have to divide by the base. 6 over 4 is equal to 1, remainder 2. Write the remainder. Then this is my 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0, I have 2. Then 1. So these are what? Our final answer. In what? Base 4. I have 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Which is same thing as option what? Option B. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. So our answer is option B. So kindly subscribe to my channel for more exact video. Assalamu alaikum. Good day viewers, welcome back to our math class. In this tutorial, we're solving UTME past question. Write the decimal number 39 to base 2. 39 to base 2. Where we are given this option, A is equal to 1001111, B 1101111, C 111001, D 100101, and E 90.5. UTME 9080 question 49. Solution. The question asks us to convert 39 to base 2. (39) to what? Base 2. So I have to use the base to divide 2 out. How many 2 can I see in 39? 19, remainder 1. How many 2 can I see in 19 again? I'm going to have 9, remainder 1. How many 2 can I see in 9 again? 4, remainder 1. Then how many 2 can I see in 4? I have 2, remainder 0. Then how many 2 can I see in 2? 1, remainder what? 0. Then how many 2 can I see in 1? 0, remainder 1. So this is what I have. So your answer will be written from down to upward. So 39 base what? 10 is equal to 1 0 0 1 1 1 base 2. So our answer from the option is what? Is A. My answer is what? A. So kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel for more of that video. Assalamu alaikum. If you want to come back to our math class, the currency used in a country is called Mathematics, donated by M, and is of base 7. A woman in that country bought 4 bags of rice at 56 Mathematics per bag and 3 tins of milk at 4 Mathematics per tin. What is the total cost of the item she bought? And we are giving her this option. Actually, we are going to move our question like this. The total cost of rice is equal to 4 times what? 4 times 56 base 7. Don't forget that what the currency is what? Is in base 7. Since the currency is in base 7, so my 56 Mathematics is what? Is in base 7. And before I can solve this question, I have to convert this back to what? To base 10. Then I'll multiply it by 4. Then I will now convert it back to what? To base 7. Good. How are you going to do this? I have 56. I want to convert this 56 to base 10. We have 0, 1. This same time, since it's base 7, I'm going to have 5 times 7 raised to the power of 1 plus 5 plus 6 times 7 raised to the power of 0. This same thing as 5 times 7 plus 6. 7 raised to the power of 0 is same thing as 1. 6 times 1. 5 times 7, this is 35. Plus, then 6 times 1, I have 6. If I should add this together, I will have 41. Now, this my 41 is in base 10, and this one is what is in base 10. So this is the same thing as 4 times 41. And 4 times 41 is equal to 164 base what? Base 10. So I have 164 base 10. So this 164 base 10, I have to convert to what? To base 7. So I'm going to have 164 divided by what? 7. Because I have to convert it back to what? Base 7. So 7 in 164, I will have 23 remainder 3. So how many 7 can I see in 23? Remember, 3 remainder 2. Then how many 7 can I see in 3? Is 0 remainder what? 3. So I have 3, 2, 3 by taking like this. So this one is same thing as 3, 2, 3 base what? 7. So we convert it from what? This 56, we convert it from base 7 to base 10, which is same thing as what? 41. Because this our 4 is in base 10. So then, once I multiply this, I have this 164 base 10. Then after that, I convert this my base 10 to base 7. So the total cost of rice is what? 3, 2, 3 base 7. Then the next one is what? Total cost of milk, which is equal to total cost of milk is same thing as how many milk does she bought? You have a 3 at what rate? At 4 Mathematics. So I have 3. The 3 is already what? In base 10. Then times the Mathematics, which was 4 in base what? 7. Now I have to convert this my 4. This my 4. This 4 in base 7 to what? Base 10. So I have my 4 raised to the power of 0. This same thing as base 7. Therefore 4 times 7 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 4 times 1. And I have what? 4. So this expression is same thing as 3 base 10 times 4 in what? Base 10. 3 times 4 in base 10. This is equal to what? 12 in base 10. So I have to convert this by 12 back to what? To base 7. So how many 7 can I see in 12? I'm going to have 1 remainder 5. Then how many 7 can I see again? I'm going to have 0 remainder 1. So this is same thing as you have 1, 5 base 7. So as you can see now, the total cost of rice. So let me write it out. Total cost of rice is equal to M, that is the Mathematics of what? 3, 2, 3 Mathematics. And the total cost of milk is equal to what? 15 mathematics, which was 15 mathematics, because the mathematics is in what? Base 7. Then the total cost of item is equal to the addition of these two. I have to add the two together, which is plus this. Don't forget that both of them in what? Base 7. So what are you going to have as your final answer? 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 8 divided by 7. I will have 1 remainder 1. Count the 1. 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1. 4. I have what? 4. Then 3 plus 0. I have 3 mathematics. So my answer is 3, 4, 1 mathematics base what? 7. And the answer is, which of the option is our answer? Our answer is what? Option what? Option D. So this is our final answer. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Math Class for more anxiety video.